Greetings to my subscribers and the rest of the YouTube world. It's your boy Travel Dazzle here. Many, not all, women in the West want to do everything under the sun that makes them look like a 304, but still want men to accept them. However, out of desperation, they try to shame the passport bros by creating a twisted narrative that they're only going to other countries to get with 304s. I'm just gonna say what many of the bros are thinking. Yup. If that was the case, we would never come back at all, because even the 304s in Colombia are some of the finest, feminine women on earth. Stop playing with us. We left hookup culture behind. We may have a little fun, but we out here looking for the one. I see them down there, believe that. There are many Latin women of African descent in South America. Their ancestors just happened to be on a ship that took a different turn in the Atlantic Ocean during the Atlantic slave trade. Passport bros, learn that Spanish, learn at least enough to have basic interactions with the natives. There is no level of shame, hate, or even isolated dangers that's going to stop this movement. Many countries welcome the passport bros, and every time women post on it, the movement grows even more. Believe that.